Good morning, Miss Neville Science students. Here's our check-in for Tuesday. You will have interims going home next week. More information about how those interims will be distributed to you as an AI student and your parents will be provided soon. So listen up. There's a science test next Friday, October 2nd, on energy types and the law of conservation of energy in action. So you'll be provided a study guide and some help sessions through Schoology that you can complete that will help you to better prepare for your test. Remember, there are no morning science classes this morning. You are only coming to tutoring if Miss Neville has sent you an email telling you that you are to come to tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings. I even gave you a time to come. Today we're going to be doing our lab, our rubber band launch lab. So you have until class starts today at 12:28 for my Science 1 students and 1:06 for my Science 2 students. You have until 12:28 or 1:06 to find a rubber band, your science notebook, a pencil, and a ruler or tape measure. I hope you're prepared. If you do not have those materials for your lab today, that's okay. You can follow along with us and you can use my data to create your data chart. If you would please also, I want to give you some time. Please pause this video and I want you to make this chart. Please make this chart in your notes because we will need it today. Whether you have that chart or not, that will tell Miss Neville if you're actually watching the morning check-ins. Please contact me through email or remind with any questions you may have. I look forward to seeing everyone this afternoon. Bye.